Trust is the foundation of every meaningful relationship. But some betrayals are too severe to be forgiven. According to Stoic philosophy, maintaining inner peace and self-respect requires recognizing when someone has crossed an irreversible boundary. While forgiveness can be an act of strength, there are times when it only enables further harm. These 7 betrayals reveal a person's true nature and should never be excused. 1. Repeated lies and deception. A single lie can be a mistake, but when someone consistently deceives you, they are making a choice to betray your trust. Dishonesty shows a lack of integrity and respect, both of which are essential for any strong relationship. The Stoics believed that truthfulness was a fundamental virtue and that tolerating lies only weakens your self-worth. Trust is fragile, and once it is broken repeatedly, it rarely returns to its original state. 2. Public humiliation and disrespect. Disagreements are normal, but when someone deliberately embarrasses you in front of others, they are crossing a serious line. A person who loves and respects you will never seek to degrade you for their own amusement or to assert dominance. Marcus Aurelius taught that a virtuous person never acts with the intention to harm another. When someone humiliates you publicly, they are proving that their ego is more important than your dignity. 3. Infidelity and broken loyalty. Cheating is not just a mistake. It is a conscious decision to violate the foundation of trust and commitment. Betrayal in the form of infidelity shows a lack of discipline, loyalty, and self-control. Seneca believed that a person's character is defined by their ability to stay true to their word. Love without loyalty is meaningless, and forgiving infidelity often leads to further heartbreak. 4. Emotional manipulation and gaslighting. Manipulation is one of the most dangerous forms of betrayal because it distorts your perception of reality. Gaslighting, in particular, is a psychological weapon used to make you doubt yourself and feel responsible for someone else's wrongdoing. Epictetus warned against giving control of your mind to others. A person who constantly twists the truth to avoid accountability does not deserve a place in your life. 5. Abandonment in your darkest moments. True character is revealed during difficult times. When someone disappears when you need them the most, they have already shown you where their loyalty stands. A real partner or friend does not leave when things get tough. They stand by your side. Stoicism values resilience, but it also recognizes the importance of true companionship. A person who walks away when you are at your lowest does not deserve to be there when you rise again. 6. Sabotaging your growth and success. A healthy relationship should encourage growth, not suppress it. If someone constantly discourages your ambitions, belittles your achievements, or makes you feel guilty for pursuing success, they are acting out of jealousy or insecurity. The Stoics believed that progress and self-improvement were essential to a meaningful life. Anyone who tries to hold you back is not supporting you. They are controlling you. 7. Betrayal of core values and trust. Living in alignment with your values is a core principle of Stoicism. If someone continuously pressures you to compromise your beliefs, disregards your moral boundaries, or repeatedly breaks promises, they are not aligned with your path. Betrayal of one's core values leads to inner conflict, and staying in such a relationship will only result in long-term unhappiness.